In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Navy Federal reward points. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The most convenient way to redeem points for cash, merchandise, or gift cards, view a detailed summary of your rewards points activity, and directly book flights, hotels, and car rentals is through the latest version of the Navy Federal Bank app. So all that you have to do is download the latest version of the Navy Federal mobile app, and in there you can sign in using your credentials to access all of your accounts, including the one that has the rewards points that you would like to spend. So after you include the username and password as necessary, find the specific rewards card or rewards account that you would like to manage, and upon tapping on it, you will be redirected to another page where you can see your current balance and find options related to that account like making payments. Of course, what you are looking for is right underneath the option to make a payment. I went ahead and I highlighted it here for you. You will see the exact amount of points that you have, and immediately tapping this rewards category, you will be redirected one last time to a place where you can start the process of redeeming rewards. Unfortunately, I cannot show you these rewards on screen, but all you have to do to find out what is available for you is tap the option to redeem the rewards, and all of them will be available for you to choose. Like I said, there are various options where you can spend your points on, including cash, merchandise, gift cards. You can even directly book flights, hotels, and car rentals on all programs, and you will be able to receive special discounts or included packages. Just make sure that you tap the option to redeem rewards on the latest version of the Navy Federal mobile app and that you are redirected properly. Afterwards, you are good to go to use these points whenever needed. Make sure you have an eligible Navy Federal rewards card so you can earn more points whenever you use that card, and all of them will be managed through the latest version of their mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Navy Federal reward points. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.